Hey guys, it is the 3rd of December and we have a ifam today. I believe it was Gas R that sent this in with some other locks. There is another ifam. Yeah, so I think we will try this one. These two ifams, this one and the other one, is the first of them I have ever had, so it's not some that I am very familiar with, but we'll see. And what do I want to try first? Try bottom of the keyway. And the smallest SPP tool first. If that doesn't work, we go up to the next one. I don't have keys for this one. No! There we go. So far all of the opens have been quite quick, and this video is gonna be extremely short because I can't gut this thing. Just to make it a little longer, should we try to pick this with the same tools but in hand? Now we have seen an open. We can also try to see if we can rake it open, shim it maybe, just to make the video a little bit more interesting. Let's try SPPing it in hand. And see if that is as easily done. Yes, it is. And where do we have a rake? Worm rake. Yep. City rake. Oh, I did feel something, but it isn't open. Maybe not as much movement. Maybe that works. Okay. We tried, and it might be possible. Where is my half diamond? Where's that gone? Okay, I can't find my half diamond, but I do have a W rake. So we'll see if we can zip it open with this. No, couldn't zip it. Okay, let's try pick guns. And I think we shall start with, start with the Kronos. See if that will open it. Yep. Kronos, or the magic stick as I call it, did work. Let's try a brokerage snap gun. Sorry about all of the noise from that. Didn't open. And the last pick gun is my homemade pick gun. Which actually, I have opened Rukos with this 5 pinners, but still. But I don't think it seems like this will work. I do get a slight turn and I did that with all of these tools, but they didn't open it. Okay, let's see if we can shim it. What size do we want? Maybe these. I hope I don't break them. I only have a few left, and I'm not really up for buying a new set. Okay, we need it on both sides then. Come on. If I can actually get a shim in. I know why this is bent. And hope this one fits. It's not far enough down. Maybe now? No. I simply can't get it far enough down, but it's very, very close. But I do not want to risk to break them. But it was close. So, yeah. We did rake it, we did SPP it twice even, and we did open it with the Chronos. And I always believe that if the Chronos can, the manual ones can as well. But I would argue that the Chronos is a little bit easier to use. But that's just my opinion. I felt like I was very close with the City Rake, but it didn't open. If I kept trying a couple more minutes, I think it might work. But I don't want to make it too long when it actually opened that easily. But I do think if you keep trying, at least this one is possible in either way, if you use some time on it. But the quickest one was raking the Chronos and SPPing. Okay, let's get it on the tree. Whee! And I always start to fill up the top before we go further down. So, the beautiful Ruko star, and the first three here, logwood, American logwood actually, the Morris American 1100 clone, and the ifam, at least one of them. So far so good in this year's Christmas series. I hope you all still enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and I hope you all have a great Christmas.